Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Crunchyroll account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now just a quick tip, if you would like to get Crunchyroll or any other subscription for a much cheaper or better price, scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first pinned comment in the comment section below, or it's going to send you to Gamsgo. I've been personally using this website for the past 3 years, and it's basically a platform where you can share your password with other people under the same subscription, just like a one big family. So from here you're going to sign up, and then once Crunchyroll is available again, you're going to simply search it here and then it will appear and you will have it cheaper. But for another example, for example Netflix, you're going to click on purchase now, and as you can see 3 months is only for 15 euros rather than for 60. And then you can add a promo code right here. We're going to write gummy, and this will apply for you an additional 5% discount to get the best possible price. Now simply head to crunchyroll.com, which is going to be the official website right here. And then from here, you're going to go to the top right section where it's going to be the person, and then click on create account. Now from here, it's going to send you to this page where you're going to paste in your email address that you would like, and then add whatever suitable password that will work for you. And then from here, click on create account. And then once you do that, they will going to send you a verification link right to your inbox. So as you can see, to fully enjoy Crunchyroll, please verify your email address, send the verification link right here. And then once you do that, it will redirect you to this page to thank you for verification. And there you go, now you have your basic Crunchyroll account ready. And if you would like to get a premium subscription, then simply click on here where it offers you 7 days for free, as if for every new account is offered the same. And then from here you can select whatever subscription you might feel comfortable with, for example the Mega Fan, and then from here going to add your payment information to get the premium subscription. But if you are settled for the normal account, then you're already done. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.